When you first crank up AutoCAD Mechanical 2010, you will see, if you've used AutoCAD before, that there are subtle differences. So for example, if we look here at our ribbon at the top of the screen, you can see we've still got Home there, but we've got Insert, and you can see that there are things that are slightly different in places. So if I go to Annotate, for example, you'll see that we have Multiple Dimension, we have Power Dimension. We also have a Vault tab. Vault is a document management tool, and you'll notice when you first crank up AutoCAD Mechanical, you also have a Vault toolbar here. So you'll see there, look, there's the same buttons. You can see Check In, Check Out, where you can check documents in and out of your Vault, your document management system. So I'm going to close my Vault toolbar. I don't actually need it because I've actually got a Vault tab, as you can see there. Now, let's have a look at a bit more depth of the AutoCAD mechanical tools. Let's have a look at getting around and what the interface actually does. I'll go back to the Home tab there. You can see there we've got Draw, we've got Draw Tools, we've got Modify, we've got Layers, Dimension and Blocks. So basically the arrangement of the panels on the ribbon is different to the original vanilla AutoCAD. However, there are some other tools that we need to look at in AutoCAD Mechanical. We've got our Quick Access toolbar up here, like we have in all other versions of AutoCAD. And what we've got there, you can see we've got an Open from Vault icon, but we've got the usual ones. We've got New, Open, Save, Undo, Redo, and Plot. But if I click down here on the Quick Access toolbar, I can also show my menu bar. Now, my menu bar is like older versions of AutoCAD. Do you remember the pull-down menus? So when you click on File, there's your pull-down menu, Edit, and so on. So you can bring those in at any time. You can do that with vanilla AutoCAD as well. But the reason I've done that is we've got various tools. So if I go here to Modify, you can see there that we've got, look, Power Copy, Power Erase, we've got Power Manipulator. All these different tools that work with AutoCAD Mechanical. Things like Move, Copy and Rotate. That's not in vanilla AutoCAD, but it's in AutoCAD Mechanical. So you can see there, lots of new tools to deal with here. And what I would actually suggest as well is not just doing the VTC Basic Concepts course for AutoCAD Mechanical 2010. I would actually suggest maybe even finding your Autodesk Training Center as well and using the VTC tools as a complement to that training or vice versa. It's important that you get as much training in this product as possible to make it effective, to use it to your advantage. So, let's have a look now a little bit more at the menu bar and the ribbon. Now the ribbon itself, as usual, you have the tabs, like so. Now what I love about AutoCAD 2010 are sticky panels. I can click and drag here on my dimension panel and I can drop it straight in to my drawing area. So now I can do all that dimensioning without having to keep going back to the Annotate tab. I can go to the Home tab and I can work from the Draw panel and then dimension up as I go. Now the benefit you have here is if I now go here like this and click on Return Panels to Ribbon, I'm not even in the Annotate tab. But when I click there and go back to Annotate, you'll see that the Dimension panel is back where it should be. That's what I love about the 2010 interface. Not only have you got your old menu bar still available here, but you've got your tabs on the ribbon, you've got your panels, and you've got all your panel tools. The other thing I like about these panels, click on the pin there, and you can lock out the fly out part of the panel. If I click on the pin again, it flies back into the panel again. It's really useful, especially when you've got bigger ones. That's not a bigger one really there, but let's look at the text one. Yeah, there's plenty there. Let's pin it open, and as you can see, it just stays there until you unpin it when you finish what you're doing. So as you can see, the user interface, similar to AutoCAD, but ever so subtly different to accommodate all the AutoCAD Mechanical 2010 tools.